Every year at Huda American Schools, we hold the Friendship Week as an integral part of our activities calendar. This year, this event holds a special flavor as we have decided to teach our students the values of friendship and compassion. The Charity Bazaar, where our students are selling homemade products from the heart, and the proceeds of this bazaar will all go towards the housing project of the people affected by the earthquake.
Huda American School decided to help people who got affected by the earthquake, such as making a charity bazaar for students to sell their belongings, something they made, handmade, perfectly made.
Every one of them, he did his best to support them. So even, when you can be doing like for a single thing that matters, every single step can support a lot.